Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In the first video, we learned how to install Node.js. What is the link between Node.js and Next.js? So we learn all these things. What is the use of npx create next app? What is the use of npm run dev? If you directly reach to second video and you have not seen this, please see this also for more knowledge. In this class, I want to discuss these three topics. Understand file and folder structure of Next.js app. What is the purpose of page.js file and how to modify page.js file and display your message. This is the first application with Next.js. So go to again VS Code and you see that so many code is written here. So we need to remove all these things and we should keep only one. So first of all I remove this and I just keep this main. Remember, this main I want to keep and all other I want to delete. So I delete this one first, delete this, then I delete this one, then delete all these things till the main folder. So each and everything I am removing because I want to start my application. So you see we have removed all and this is the main page, and here I can display my heading. I say h2 welcome to first Next.js application. You see I save this and you see the update, welcome to first Next.js application. So we have removed each and everything, we have modified this, and now I want to change this color to the white color because by default as per my theme of the browser it coming in black color. So if you want to modify to the white color, you can also modify. I will give you the chance. For that we have to understand the directory structure and use of the file. Here we have a readme file. If you click on this, if you open this file readme.md, it's have a basic knowledge of the Next.js application, how to run this. So you have this one. I have used this command. So basic knowledge, if you don't know about Next.js or React simple commands, we have just for introduction purpose. You can go for this. Second, we have package.json, all the application which are installed here, which is required by my application, like these application is required right now. So all are there. It's a very important file. Do not change and make any change in this file. This file is linked with this file, both are together, so no need to change this. Now we have a nextjs.config.js file. This file we use for Next.js configuration. Later on if we will make any modification, then we will use this file. This is JS config file for JSON configuration, like we have used aliases in the you can creating process of the application. So there we require this information, so that's why they have used additional feature of JavaScript configuration. This is for GitHub. If you are using GitHub, you want to ignore any directory, it should not be upload on GitHub, so you can put that here. ESLint, everybody knows that right now ESLints we use for some restrictions and some validation purpose for JavaScript. It's better to use. Then we have a public directory, all the images, all the files which we require, which we want to make available publicly on the browser, on you can say in the website, then we should put all the data in this. This module node.module is have all the package that is required by Next.js. Now we have a main file page.module.js. This file is used for CSS configuration. It is the main file which we using. Remember that we have a here class main, and same we are using here main.style.main, and we are importing this file here. So all the CSS setting which is required by Next.js is available here. One by one in more videos we will use by default CSS also, and we can create own CSS also. It's a module base, so it come under app. Now we have a page, this same page which we are using and modifying. So like app.js we have in React, here we have page.js. It's a first page that display data on the browser. We have a second one layout.js. It's a file that use to run some basic fundamental globally you want to run. For example, we have HTML body and you see children we have. So it's a basic fundamental layout. All the files like page, some other page also, all comes under this. So it's required because by default you see here is we have a title, create next app, and generated by this in description. So if you see this, the same we have here, create next app. So everything is coming here because of this layout. So what is the purpose of layout, how we can create own layout, I will give you the overview of everything in next videos. Now layout is done. Now global.css, this is the file which required globally. So it's apply on all the Next.js page. You see, like we have layout here. So we import here, and after just importing this, and all the validations is apply on this layout. So by default all Next.js page have this layout. You can also use on your, this is the icon, everybody know that icon file. So you can use and you can replace, you can paste your icon here for your website and your things. And this is the next.js. It is have all the things which we are doing here, and we are compiling and building application. Each and everything is comes here after that. So no need to go inside this and no need to modify this because it's a folder that generated by Next.js itself. So this is the small directory structure, very less as compared to React. So right now we have learned all the directory structures and we have modified this file also. So the purpose of this class is to understand file and folder structure that I have explained you. Next one is the purpose of page.js file. I have explained you that this file is the first file that display your page on a screen. You see this data is displaying here. So we are using this. Now how to modify and display your message. So I have explained that how to modify. I have delete everything, keep this main tag only because data comes inside this in Next.js. Do not remove this main tag, and inside this you can do your code which you want to display. Now in the beginning of the video I told you that the by default the color here we have the black, but you may change as per the CSS. So if you want to change, I give you a small demo on this just to modify the CSS. So we have this CSS, and if you want to keep your color, so you say background color here, and I say white color is there. So background should be white and the text color should be black. So because we want to make replace just reverse of this, so we save this. And if you go on this, you see, and one error is also showing. The error is, I think I refresh this. Yeah, no error. It is the last one which I just forget to put semicolon here. So no error there, just refresh, and you see that this is the main class. And remember that this is the style, we having a main tag. So we have replaced all the settings. Right now you see that just after this we have a black color and we have the white background. So you can prefer whatever the by default your browser is supporting. Otherwise you can set this, it is also looking better, but you may have the other type of color also as per your choice. So this is the file which used to do this. Other settings is also remaining here. We will show in the next videos whenever we require to learn all these things. So right now in this video we have learned these things, we have understand and we know the answer of these three questions. And remember that these questions are most important for interview purpose also. So please note, I have explained each and every question in this video, and in next video I will show you more questions regarding third video about Next.js. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.